Hello guys, it's AppWiz. In this video, I will show you how to make your Pinterest account public. A public account allows anyone to see your pins and boards making your account. Public is easy and only takes a few steps. First things first, open up the Pinterest app on your device. Next, tap on the profile icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you're in your profile section, look towards the top left corner, where you'll find another profile icon. Tap on this icon. It will take you directly to your account section in this area. You'll have access to various settings related to your account. Tap on Profile Visibility. Here, two main options will be presented: Private Profile and Search Privacy. If you have Private Profile enabled only, those individuals you approve can see your profile along with any pins or boards you've created. Additionally, if Search Privacy is toggled on, it prevents search engines like Google from displaying your profile and search results. To make your Pinterest account public, simply toggle off both switches next to Private Profile and Search Privacy. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.